This podcast is sponsored by buybiz.io. Discover premium AI-driven online businesses for sale, perfect for standalone growth or seamless integration. Explore now at buybiz.io to kickstart your digital success.
Essential factors for analyzing business insurance and protecting your company. Learn the key factors in business insurance analysis, from risk assessment to choosing the right coverage and insurer for smart protection. Key factors in business insurance analysis. Hey, so I was thinking about something that doesn't get talked about enough but is super important for anyone running a business. Business insurance. I mean, you've got your products, your marketing, your team, and all that. But what about shielding yourself from the unexpected? That's where insurance analysis comes in. And it's honestly a game changer if you want to keep your business protected and running smoothly. Let's break down the key factors you really want to focus on when you're analyzing business insurance. I'm going to keep it casual, so you can just imagine I'm chatting with you over coffee about it. 1. Understanding your business risks. First up, you've got to figure out what risks your specific business faces. This isn't just about vague what-if scenarios. It's about pinpointing real vulnerabilities. Are you storing expensive equipment? Do you have employees working on site? What about customer data security? Each business has a unique set of exposures, so understanding those is the foundation of your insurance analysis. The better you understand your risks, the better you can tailor your insurance coverage to avoid paying for stuff you don't need while making sure you're covered for what really matters. 2. Types of insurance policies. Next, you need to know what types of policies are out there and what they do. Here are the most common ones. General liability insurance covers things like bodily injury or property damage caused by your business operations. Think of it as your go-to protection against slip and fall lawsuits or property damage claims. Property insurance protects your physical assets like buildings, equipment, and inventory from fire, theft, or natural disasters. Workers' compensation, mandatory. In most states, this covers medical expenses and lost wages for employees injured on the job. Professional liability insurance, also called errors and omissions, E&O, this protects businesses offering services against claims of negligence or mistakes. Business interruption. Insurance covers lost income if your business has to close temporarily due to a covered event, like a fire or severe storm. Knowing these types is like having a toolbox. You don't want to pick the wrong tool or miss the one you actually need. 3. Evaluating coverage limits and deductibles. This one's a bit of a balancing act. Coverage limits are the maximum amount your insurance will pay out on a claim, and deductibles are what you pay out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. Choosing low deductibles often means higher premiums, but it also means you won't have to shell out as much if something happens. High deductibles lower your premiums but can leave you vulnerable to big expenses when things go south. The key is to balance what you can afford monthly with what you can pay if an incident happens. 4. Reviewing policy exclusions and conditions. Policies aren't all-inclusive. There are often things they won't cover. Maybe it's damage from floods, cyber attacks, or employee theft. It's super important to know these exclusions so you aren't blindsided when you think you're covered but aren't. Plus, some policies have conditions you must meet for the coverage to be valid. For example, you might need to install certain security systems or conduct regular maintenance on your equipment. 5. Cost versus value. It's tempting to just go with the cheapest insurance, but that's usually a bad idea. You want to look at the value, how much protection you're getting for the cost. Sometimes paying a bit more upfront saves you thousands if something goes wrong. Your insurance agent should help you find coverage that fits your budget without skimping on key protections. 6. Choosing the right insurance provider. Your insurer matters just as much as your coverage. Look for companies with good reputations for customer service, fast claims processing, and financial stability. You want a partner who'll be there when you really need them, not just collect premiums. 7. Regular policy reviews. Businesses evolve, and so should your insurance. Maybe you add new products, hire more staff, or move to a new location. Revisiting your insurance coverage regularly helps you adjust your protection to fit your current reality. Annual reviews are a good rule of thumb. Wrapping it up. Business insurance analysis might sound a bit dry at first, but it's essential if you want your business to thrive and survive unexpected bumps. It's really about thinking ahead and making smart decisions now to avoid headaches later. Plus, if you're thinking about buying or selling a business, understanding insurance is a major plus. Speaking of buying businesses, if you're interested in something futuristic and innovative, check out Archieboy Holdings' AI-based businesses for sale. These are cutting-edge companies smartly combining AI with entrepreneurship, ready for you to take to the next level. Explore our AI-based business listings today and see what incredible opportunities await. Whether you're buying or just exploring, it's a fascinating glimpse into where business is headed. Alright, that's it for this chat. Next time you're looking at or thinking about business insurance, keep these factors in mind. It'll save you time, money, and a lot of stress down the road.